Before we get started, guys, let me know what you guys are running down in the comments, what systems you guys got and what amps you're running and subs and whatnot. I'd be glad to hear what you guys are running, so let me know down in the comments section. Thanks. What's up, YouTube? Today I got here an unboxing of a Soundqubed 7K. Sort of an unboxing. It's a used amp, but I got the box with it. Still like brand new. So check it out. Passed everything. Got the manual. Right here's the one we're looking at today, the Q1 7000. See if I can get some RMS on it. Looking at, yep, 7000 at 1 ohm. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, here we go. Nice Tiffany style RCAs. I'll show you guys the measurements as well. 2 1-aught power and grounds. Nice 8-gauge speaker wire inputs. Set up here. Check out the length. About 31 to here. You can see that. 31's right here, about 32 where the inputs come out to. About 9.5 wide. Haven't hooked it up yet to anything. Curious to see what it'll do. Plan on putting this in my Escalade on 2 SCAR ZVX18s. Let me know down in the comments what you guys are running.